back, Royale Greenstone channel. Today in this video we're out in the Wolverine mine. We're picking some copper agates and whatever we can find. But it was brought to my attention after we got done filming the video, maybe a couple days later, that the Wolverine mine had then become posted by the county. So when we were in there, there was no signs up. As far as I knew, we were allowed to be there. But since then, it's been posted, and wouldn't recommend going in there now. I believe the reason it was posted was because the county was sick of all of the holes and the pits and things from people digging up copper and stuff, and it made it hard for the county to use the pit. So just keep that in mind when you're picking. Try not to leave a mess behind, and maybe we'll have more places to pick. Okay, we are just having a blast out here. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We just got here, Wolverine, and let you take a look around. We're gonna look for some copper agates. Just kind of pill around the mine piles here and see what we can find. Hey, did you find any? Where are all the copper agates?
Well, this has got copper in it.
Let's see what you got.
The green is copper.
Very cool.
But it's not an agate.
Yeah, I think we'll have to get on this pile to see what we can find. So I've got my AT Pro Gold here, and it's a nice little unit. It's got the small oval wand on the end of it, and I like this one because I can quickly. It's got a nice feature here. I turned it on, so I can turn down the sensitivity quite a bit. If I'm looking for like float copper. If I can actually turn it, back up too for seeing if there's any copper in these agates. So we'll give that a try later on and see. I hit something here. Not sure if that was my boot or what. So I'm just wanding over top of all these basalt rocks. I found something here. Yeah, there's something.
In this rock?
No. Back, put it back. Put it back. I'll show you where it's upside down now. It was on the other side. It's right on this point.
Down here? Yep.
It's in there somewhere.
I can see the green right there.
Oh, can you? Oh, maybe it's right. Yeah, it is actually right there. That's actually just copper in there.
Okay, watch out, I'm gonna smash it.
Okay. That's just a big chunk of, oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, that's great. Yep, that's definitely copper. Cool. So, as you can kind of see, just running the metal detector over top of this pile, and it's pretty obvious when you come across something that's copper, and how we're going to look for agates too. Hey, there's something right here.
Hey, I can see it. I can see them.
Yeah, it's right there, that one. Let's pound that one out, see if we can get it out.
Look at the copper in there.
Oh yeah, look at that. There's a flat rock right there. Let's try to just tap that one out. That's an easy one.
Well, we'll see how easy. This is hard stuff. Got it.
Already got it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Got the metal detector. Oh yeah, copper agate, baby. Look at that. Cool. Can't wait to cut that one. Nice. So, let's...
There's still another one in here.
Oh, is there?
There's one there.
Let's see if that one gets...
Yep.
That's not hitting the other one in your hand, is it? You put that in your pocket?
Yep.
So that... Definitely some copper in that one too. Cool. Well, success early out here in Wolverine. Oh yeah, it's a dandy. Just found this one here, and the metal detector hit on it.
There's a big one.
You can see the agates right inside the salt. Oh, way cool.
This one's big.
Oh yeah, look at that there. Boy, it's not pinging. Huh.
It's green.
Yeah. Should be a copper agate in there. This one for sure. Have to hit that one out. Well, we're getting ready to pack up and leave here at Wolverine. One nice thing about coming up here to the Keweenaw in the first week of August is you've got Keweenaw days, and with that comes a lot of different rock shows and rock swaps and stuff. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head to the rock swap and see what we can find for sale, see what all these different people found and want to sell. We're back here, Lower Michigan. We're going to take a look at some of the material that we got from Wolverine. Go through it a little bit, find some good pieces. Hopefully we have some good copper agates, and we're gonna polish them up and see what we've got. Much copper in there, is there?
No, you never know.
No, you don't.
Bring it to the light a minute. Nope.
Not much there. Still fun to cut. Okay, here's the next one we're gonna cut. Looks pretty good. We got some copper coming out of the side of it. So let's give it a shot. Let's see what it looks like. yeah, look at that. That's awesome. Beautiful. It sure makes it better when you find something when you're looking for it. So it's just, there's nothing like using a metal detector and you know, looking for copper and copper agates and stuff. It's really a treasure hunt at its core. So thanks for being with us today. Really appreciate it. If you feel like it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It does help us out a lot. And go ahead and hit that like button. Until next time, guys.